No, let me bring it out of the freezer. What's good, guys? So today's video, we're gonna be doing something very different. Something different from what we usually do. I'm gonna be cooking today. So quick story time, or quick backtrack. Every year, well, that's before Corona, around this time my parents come over to the US to visit me. For those of you that don't know, I am originally Nigerian, meaning my home is in Nigeria. So my parents would come to visit me, and my mom would come and she would cook a lot of like soup, a lot of stuff. But because of the Corona, that's not happening this year, sadly. So in this video, I'm going to be making okra soup. I'm showing you guys how it's done my mom's way. I'm gonna have her on the phone. I just got off the phone with her, so she told me to cut the okra. So I'm gonna show you guys. Right now I have the okra right here. So I cut that already. I put it in the freezer last night. I don't think that was a good idea. I'm gonna leave it out right now to just like defrost. Yeah, guys, I'm excited to see how this goes. Yeah, let's get it. All right, so for this video, I'm actually gonna be wearing something special as well. So this is like it's an apron my mom made for me. This is gonna be a very cool ass video. But in the tradition of cooking with your moms, I'm gonna be wearing the apparel as well. So let's get it. So first off, obviously, as I said, I already cut my okra thing, and I have some fish here. I'm gonna just let them defrost by themselves. I don't really know what to do. I think I'm supposed to cut these as well, but I'm also going to get some spinach, the regular ones from the store. I think I'm supposed to break them apart. I could break these apart with like my hand. So let's just go ahead and do that. I'm gonna have to use my my cutting board for the next one so that it comes out evenly. Okay, so right now I have all these. I don't know if that's enough, but I'm just gonna use it eyeball based on like the amount of okra I have. I don't know if I should do that. I don't know if that's the right thing to do.
How many packs do you have?
I have 2.
Airpods or it disappears easily inside the pot.
Oh, really?
I just cut the 2. Unless you want to use it to cook another thing.
No.
Cut it. I used to use 4 steps. Because it's very
Wait,
light.
like 4 bags?
4 packs. Okay, but I'm American. I don't know. Maybe your own pack will be big packs.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
How big?
You know all those like walkers, just chips.
Anyway, cut all. You sure your pot is big? It will disappear. You have bigger pot of soup now. It's better.
Yeah.
If not, it will spoil. So let's cook it.
Okay. Fair enough.
Have you put your meat on the fire?
Oh, no.
Put your meat now. So as you continue listening.
Yeah.
Meat is ready.
That's
but it is well though.
a good idea.
You put on plastic before you put it on the fire.
Huh?
I mean, as you put your meat inside your pot now, you put the spices, onions and co.
Yeah.
Before you now put it on the fire.
Yeah. Okay, that's probably a good idea to do that. Yes.
Do it now, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'll do that. I'll call you in a little bit. So for this I have gizzard. Oh, let me turn off the tap. So for this I have gizzard. Because I didn't buy any meat, and I mostly use chicken. So I'm gonna wash the gizzard first because of the blood and all that. This is chicken gizzard, by the way. Really good. I'm gonna wash it and then I'm gonna boil it, and I'm gonna use the stock or the water for it to cook the whole thing. I believe that's what I'm supposed to do. But let's spice this shit up. The gizzard washed and ready. Oh, that was a mess. So next thing we're going to do right now is we're going to cut some onions, you know, all that jazz, spice it up and get it ready for the boiling phase. Quick story, you guys don't know, but I in school I actually took a special class called food and nutrition. Never thought that I would be in the situation of having to cook for myself. Trust me, it's not even like any reason. It's really just because I don't know. I never imagined being in this time of my life, which is called adulting, where you kind of have to make or create your own life for yourself. We're gonna add some seasoning because you don't want to miss the seasoning. Like, I'm gonna throw in some salt. I never know how much salt I should put in something, but it's kind of like a hit or miss. So, like I said, I can already feel the comments coming in for this video, and people are just gonna be like, "Oh my God, you're adding too much spice! You're adding too much spice!" But hey, man, this is adobo, by the way. I'm gonna add. I used that. Okay. Let me show you. I'm gonna give you guys a run through of what I used. Just give me a second. So I used like the adobo chicken, all-purpose seasoning. Then I used this like pepper. I have no idea exactly. It's very hot. It's a Nigerian. Well, I'll call it a Nigerian pepper because like it was from Nigeria, but it's like it was actually grounded. So it's like grounded pepper. My mom brought it one of the times when she was here. And then obviously salt, and then Maggi cubes right here. So those are all to add to the taste, and I'm gonna put some thyme in it. We're just gonna close it up and we're gonna let it simmer and do its thing. Alright, so I'm about to give my mom another call because at this point I don't know what I'm doing again. So give her a ring. A ring-a-ding-a-ling. Yeah, so the meat is on the fire and then everything is cut. Yeah. Oh, I forgot about the fish. I'll just throw it in there, right?
Just throw it in there.
Okay.
You're going to do what?
I'm going to throw the dry fish in there. Like I'll put the dry fish inside.
Yes.
Okay. I'm not taking out any bones or anything. I'm not taking out any bones.
You said?
I'm not taking out any bones or anything.
If it has bone, you remove the bone.
Well,
If it does not have bone, if the bone is soft, you throw it in there.
okay.
But if it's strong bone, remove the bone.
Yeah. It's just very
You
small.
have a more,
Yeah, I do.
Okay, that's fine. Alright.
Okay, so guys, apparently I'm supposed to cut some more onions because at the final stage, I believe we still have to use onions to like begin the process. So I'm just gonna cut some more onions and wait till the time. Ooh, I can smell it. I can smell it. It's starting to smell like home right now. So I live alone, so there's no one else drinking from that. So, and it's quarantine. Stay at home. Now that makes sense. This is almost the same way they make pepper soup. Yo, cooking is easy. I think you just need to try before you get to learn how to cook. But how do you guys feel about my apron? My mom made this from scratch. I can give you guys a whole review. It has like a pocket down here. It's kind of dirty because I've been using it. I haven't washed it, but it has like a pocket down here, a pocket down here, and like it has the waist band at the back. Yeah, it's pretty dope. Like from scratch, guys. So guys, as you can see, the meat is boiling, and this is the meat and fish. So it's already kind of like all the smell and everything's starting to smell nice. But we're gonna wait for that call because I don't know what to do next. I don't know if I'm just supposed to mix everything all together or yeah. I'm recording, by the way. So say hi. I say I'm recording, by the way. So I'm recording on YouTube. So say hi. No, I mean your face won't show. It's just your voice.
So what do you have?
The meat, I mean, the gizzard and the fish are on the fire right now. They're like boiling. They're like, it's practically done. I can take it off the fire right now. Then I have this. Yeah, I have my okra.
Okay.
And I have
the spinach.
Is
that all the 2 packs of spinach?
Oh, I did 1 pack.
I thought you could do 2 and do the 2
Oh. Okay.
Put oil in your dry pot.
Okay.
Dry your pot, then put oil. Don't allow it to heat too much. Just when it has melted, you pour your onions. You can put Maggi. Do you have crayfish?
Yeah, I still have.
So you can put 1 Maggi inside the oil. Put crayfish there. Put half of the okra and spice. I said onions. Put onions and then put half of the okra and stir. All these things more or less simultaneously.
Okay.
Then you need to be said, pour your meat with the water and everything inside that and stir.
All the onions or some? Some onions or...
Put all the onions, then put half of the okra.
Okay. Yes.
Have you put the okra?
No, I just now remembered what crayfish was. I think I was just putting stockfish by mistake. So guys, as you can see, I'm basically done with the soup. I was on the phone, so I couldn't have it. I don't know, for some reason it's not like drawing as I expected. To be honest, I feel like I probably did not add. I might have put too much water in it, but it's not as dry as expected. But it looks good though. Look at this goodness. So all I'm gonna do next, this is actually me doing it myself. I'm gonna just put some shrimp. I have some shrimp and mushroom in here, and then I'm gonna add it to the food because my mom always does that. So I like that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna add it to my food. I'm just adding some more, just so that the food has like a lot of meat in it. Like I love when I'm like eating with so many obstructions. You feel me? You feel me? But yeah, guys, let's get it. All right, for the next phase, what you would need is obviously your pounded yam mix, like a flour or whatever, and then you would need these. Remember these guys? For the people that know. Well, not me though, but and then you need a bowl and hot water. Let's see, and then I just put the water in there. Bow, and then you mix in there. So you want to give it like a good couple of turns. So yeah, that's how it looks when it's ready. I'm just gonna put this in here. Yeah, I'm using my hand to paddle it because presentation, you get me? Okay, so I just put it in a bowl for you guys to see. So this is what it looks like in the bowl. So that's how it's supposed to be presented in the bowl. We have the soup right there with all the things. Oh, I have chicken. So I'm gonna actually microwave my chicken. Okay, so guys, right now we have the full meal. I'm gonna switch to a B-roll to give its food the best view it can get. You know, this meal needs its own like recognition because I'm about to go in right now. I'll probably sleep when I'm done, honestly speaking, because like this is very heavy. So without further ado, if you like that video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I don't know how often I'm going to be making these kind of cooking videos because that's not really my thing, but I just felt like I wanted to do it since I was learning a new thing, so I could show it to you guys. Anyways, switch to the B-roll.
Passing with the sauce, but sticky with the seasoning. Caught me in the evening, got pop ballin', then tell me what you're feeling. She likes it tight, she likes it, she likes it, she likes it tight. Only gonna come if the vibe is right. Wanna smoke weed, wanna try some wine. She likes it tight, she likes it, she likes it, she likes it tight. Only gonna come if the vibe is right. Wanna smoke weed, wanna try